is a maniac who seeks to end us all. I'm putting together the greatest team ever.
Are you packed? Yes.
We've got Korg.
He's my best friend.
Yes. There's my ex-girlfriend Jane. Valkyrie.
This is the best day of my life!
The Guardians.
And giant goats.
Oh, look at those. They are wonderful.
Yes, they are. They also scream quite a lot.
You said this would be a relaxing holiday. I said it was going to be like a relaxing holiday. Human handshake to the Asgardian shake. Into the snake that you cannot trust. Really dragging this out. And finish the classic Asgardian high one. Only in cinemas.